Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today we're going to be removing and installing a new maintenance box on the Canon Maxify GX7021. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, if you're having print quality issues, check out my product, link down below, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. So the first thing we need to do is we actually need to go into the printer information button. And once we click the information button right there, you're going to see maintenance cartridge usage. You're going to click replace. You're going to click yes. And then you're going to just follow all of the steps that it takes you through. And essentially what I'm going to take you through in this video is what it's going to tell you to do on the screen. So we're going to loosen up that screw on the back of the printer. So this screw and the maintenance box is located on the back left side of the printer. And so there's going to be a very visible, very defined screw. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver. In this case, I ended up using a utility knife that had kind of like a flat head end on it. And that did the job. And so there's going to be a lot of different tools that will work to unloosen the screw. Once you unloosen the screw, you're going to be able to remove the panel. And once that panel is removed, you will have unobstructed access to the maintenance box or the maintenance cartridge. You will be removing it. It's as simple as pulling it out, and it's a little bit longer, so you want to make some space. If you're kind of got a little bit of space, you're going to want to make more space so that this is able to come out properly. And what you're going to do with this maintenance cartridge is you're going to toss it. You're going to toss it in the trash because it's been used up. And now what you're going to do is you're actually going to replace it with a brand new maintenance cartridge. Back at the main screen, we're going to go through the steps. You want to make sure you follow this. And then now it's going to tell you to insert a new maintenance cartridge. There's going to be a link down below for the exact maintenance cartridge that you need for this printer. But once you have it, you're reinstalling it, pushing it in, make sure it's facing the side where the chip can attach and where there's going to be an opening. There's going to be a hole at the other end of it. Once that is inserted, then you want to follow some more prompts on the screen. And ultimately, of course, you're going to cover this up with the panel and put the screw back on and tighten it up. Make sure to tighten up that screw. And once that is in place, you have totally replaced the maintenance cartridge. You just have to follow some more prompts on the screen. Essentially, you want to make sure you do that on the screen because it's going to register the new maintenance cartridge in the printer a lot easier if you do it that way. If you just go in and change everything, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. So now you can see the usage is very low, as we did in the beginning, because this is a brand new printer. Didn't actually need to replace the maintenance cartridge. This was just for instructional purposes only. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.